Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram account temporarily locked. So if you're facing this error message on your Instagram, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, your Instagram account is temporarily locked either because you're using a third-party app or you're punished. Now, if you're using a third-party app to follow or unfollow users, Instagram might lock your account. But in the case if you don't do any kind of suspicious activity, then you're now temporarily locked means your account will be unlocked within 24 hours. But in the case if you want to unlock your account very quick, how do you do that? So first of all, you're gonna go to your browser, and over there you have to search for help.instagram.com. In here you have to click on your search bar and search for temporarily locked. Here you will find a lot of options right here. So you're gonna select disable Instagram account. Now you just have to simply in here, was this helpful, you're gonna select no, choose other, and just describe your issue that your account is temporarily locked. You just provide your username and your email address and submit the request. As soon as you will submit the request, Instagram will notify you through your email address, and within few hours your Instagram account will be unlocked. So this is the only way you can quickly unlock your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.